Welcome back. This is part 3 of the Electrical Industry Network's training drawing. In this particular drawing, we've already taken a look at the cover sheet, so we'll move on into the next sheet, which is E1. On sheet E1 is basically some of the same things. We have the title block, we have some dates, we've got the sheet down here, the sheet numbers, we have the scale drawing, the north, and we have some other things that we didn't look over on the first one, a couple different things here. So let's take a look at the scale down here, where a quarter equals a foot. And in case you don't know what that means, I'll explain just real quick. I have some dimensions up here. So if you were to take a architect's scale, a tape measure, or electronic wheel, and you measured across here, you would take would equal 4 feet. So in this particular case, I measured it out. We came up with 77 foot 1 inch and 22 foot 1 inch on the spacing of these outlets. Those are arbitrary numbers right now, not meaning anything with these outlets. It's just for explanation of the quarter inch scale. So a quarter inch equals a foot. Measure off a quarter inch, that's going to be a foot. Let's take a look at here. We've got this little symbol with a 3 in it. What this is keynotes. We'll move into the keynotes. What that's explaining to me is that there's an existing 4-ton AC with a GFI and extend to the panels as noted. We have the number 1 in the symbol, and it's an existing block wall. All the wiring is to be exposed, set screw steel fittings, EMT, MC allowed up to max 6 foot. So that gives you a basic idea of what's going on in this particular page. We've got a number 5 up there, and we've also got a number 4. Next thing we want to take a look at here is this is a home run, and it's telling me that all the outlets in here are on 2 circuits going to the LP panel. Most of the time LP stands for low panel, and that's circuit 15 and 17. And down here we've got a symbol for ground, neutral, and 2 hots. We've got our switching in here. The lighting is on a 3-way. It goes to HP. Most likely that is going to be a 277 480 volt panel. Putting in a transformer in there. We'll take a look at that on the 1-line diagram. Your light fixtures, if you take your scale out, you're going to be able to scale that out and find out that those fixtures are 8-foot fixtures. And another way to tell, and we'll get into that in part 5 of the symbols legend. We'll talk about that a little bit more. Down here we have a little restroom layout. We've got a GFI in there. We've got a light. We've got to figure out what kind of light that is. Emergency light and an exhaust fan. A lot of this stuff we'll find out in the symbols page. So really that's about it on this particular page. Like I said, you've got your notes here, which are your key notes. You have your scale down here, which this one is a quarter equals a foot. And then you can go through and take a look at your symbols here and find out your outlets, your switches, your home runs, and panels and such. So in part 4, we'll go ahead and take a look at the 1-line drawing. So again, thanks for watching. I appreciate it, and I will see you in part 4. Have a great day.